rule on his side.
Okay, so he said that he should get benefits because he paid taxes where?
Well, he paid taxes in
South Carolina.
In South Carolina. And so he said he should be able to get benefits moving to Connecticut on day one. And the governor said what? 5.
The governor said
4.
no, right?
Why? 3.
No, because he hasn't.
2.
Yeah, because he hasn't paid into the system yet.
Okay, so he hasn't paid into the Connecticut system. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what did the court hold?
They ruled on the side of the man, of the family going to Connecticut because.
What right? 5, 4.
His right to travel.
His right to travel was the reason. 1, 2, 3. Anything else you want to tell me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shushma, anything?
It's under Article 4, Section 2. The states must extend to citizens. That, like, if they cross state borders, they can withhold.
Y'all buying that? -3. -3. Okay, go ahead, Mike. Yeah, Matthew.
States have to extend laws to people that are not their citizens as they do their own citizens. They have to protect equal protection under the law with the privileges of having equal protection of the laws and the right to engage in peaceful occupations.
You know, I can buy that. Go ahead, Dana.
Huh?
Go ahead, your hand was up. 5, 4,
Wait.
3.
The main author was Congressman John Bingham of Ohio. That's a fact.
All right, I'll go with that one. Yeah. All right.
You buying that? You buying that? You buying that? Sounds like -3.
What the? That was totally legit. That was
-2 now is what the score is. But your group gave me the last correct answer. Pick me a category, please.
All right. That's not what we picked.
No, I was just making sure it was dark. Constitution for 2. Homosexual rights. First hand I see. You've got it. You've got it next. Go ahead.
Homosexuals have the right to be together in civil unions, but they don't in some states, and but they can't get married in all states. Like in Utah, you 2 men are legally married. So if a man, let's say for instance, a man is getting married. If a man gets married
Help him, group, if you want.
If a man gets married in Massachusetts,
Yes.
He's married, but he goes to a state like Kentucky.
Okay, if a man gets married in Massachusetts, he's married there, but if he goes to Kentucky, he's not.
Yeah.
What laws or what constitutional privileges would deal with that or could deal with that?
The Equal Rights Amendment.
The Equal Rights Amendment. What about the Equal Rights Amendment?
It would have provided equality for everyone.
Based on sex. So even though it was, what was the Equal Rights Amendment originally designed for? Women's rights, specifically pay equity, and you're saying that it could have dealt with homosexual rights. Why?
Gender.
On account of sex, and indeed, if a man can't marry a man, then that's discrimination based on sex. Tell me more. What other constitutional privileges could deal with this, or federal laws? Your group still has it next. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, Mike's group.
Isn't it, they said they, no, we already got that.
5, 4, 3, 2, -2. Oh, the group's slipping back there. -4. Go ahead, Sushma.
Full faith and credit.
What's that? What's the full faith and credit?
It says that it requires the states to enforce civil judgments of other courts in other states.
Okay, judgments. When you say judgments, like, give me some examples of full faith and credit. What's it cover?
So, like marriage, if one
Marriage.
recognize the driver's license.
Driver's license?
Like any legal document.
Any legal, criminal things as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go with that. Okay, anything else you can tell me about homosexual rights?
The defense of marriage.
DOMA. What's DOMA?
Defense of marriage.
What does that say?
So that says that only the federal government only recognizes heterosexual marriages.
Federal government only recognizes marriage as an institution between men and women, and what president was the one that signed that into law? Clinton was the one.
How is that a
Clinton was the
homosexual
one.
right?
Anything else you want to tell me?
It's because of Social Security, because of federal benefits. That's what it says here.
I don't need to know all that. The 3 that I was looking for homosexual rights, full faith and credit clause could have defined it. ERA could have defined it. ERA never passed. DOMA actually limits homosexual rights. So these are the 3 as far as that's concerned. Yes, sir.
So it limits homosexual rights. How did she get credit?
Well, it deals with homosexual rights.
In the taking of or the free?
And it limits these are just laws that deal with homosexual rights. That's all I asked. I didn't say